Welcome to LightPointe Labs, where today we're talking about our AireBeam G80 product. The AireBeam G80 product is available in a 1 foot or 2 foot option. Today I have the 1 foot antenna mounted, but the mounting solution is the same for both the 1 foot and the 2 foot. Both use the identical bracket as well as side pole mount. You can see the side pole mount is adjustable. It allows you to then use very narrow poles such as this one or much wider poles as needed. Additionally, I'm showing here the optional telescope or scope. Shouldn't call it a telescope, it's just a finding scope. This is extremely useful. This very simple design allows you to easily find the other location and be able to align the system quickly and easily. Both the 1 foot and the 2 foot antennas, again using the same base plate, use a slip fit mount, which allows us to easily change from vertical to horizontal. And now I'll go ahead and attach the ODU. Here is the ODU, and as you can see from this side, there is the receptacle. The ODU goes on quite simply. Slides in place, and then using the attached latches locks the ODU to the antenna. You're now ready to power up the system and perform your alignment. The design of the AireBeam G80 system and the ODU specifically is all based on simplicity and ease of installation. When you receive your ODU, you'll see that it has multiple connectors. All these connectors are waterproof, all designed for outdoor use. Starting from the bottom is our RJ12 serial interface. This is where you'll connect up to your laptop or PC in order to program via the serial connection. Next is the RSSI connector. This allows you to connect to a voltmeter, providing you with very accurate numbers for doing your alignment. This is the preferred method for performing your alignment. Over here you have our 48 volt DC connector. This is an option. This is not the standard. But if you have 48 volt, or if your run of power is longer than the 100 meters limit for PoE, you can use 48 volt. Please let us know when you order so that we can make sure you purchase the right connector and the right power supply. We then have our other data connectors. The top one is the management and PoE. Assuming you're using PoE, this is where you'll plug it in. This is where your out-of-band management comes through. And this one will allow you to quickly and easily use the web interface to see what's going on the unit. We then have two what we call our data ports. We have our what we call secondary data port. And the secondary data port is actually always going to be a copper interface. The secondary data port is a 100/1000 auto-negotiate copper RJ45 connector. The primary data port actually is what you will order from us as you need. If you need it to be RJ45 as this one is, that's what it'll be. If you prefer it to be multi-mode, then you'll have a multi-mode fiber connector, LC connector in here. If you order it with a single mode, you'll have a single mode LC connectors here. This is not a hot swappable solution. This needs to be determined at the time of your order and at the time of production. We build these specifically. This ODU is sealed. This is not meant to be opened, so all of this needs to be changed during the time of manufacture. One of the nice aspects to all of LightPointe's products, whether it be our free space optics or our AireBeam solutions, is the window on the back of the unit. Not all companies will put in a window to allow you to see what's going on with the unit itself. The nice thing about the window is it gives you status information, including the heartbeat that the unit is on and operational, signal strength meters, overload, loss of signal, are you getting link on your copper ports, are you getting link on your fiber SFP port. That status information really is nice to see, and it is an easy way for someone to just go up to the roof, take a look at the status of the system, and be able to report back. Even if they don't know the IP address of the unit, even if they don't know anything about it, we can work on troubleshooting just from the status that they provide from the rear of the unit. So, again, flexibility, ease of installation, ease of adjustment are all the key factors for the AireBeam G80. Thank you for attending LightPointe Labs. Hope you have a great day.